friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. It's been several months since I shared some thrifted finds. If you are new here, I normally share things I find the last day or two of the month. And I shop for craft supplies, farmhouse decor, and seasonal decor, things like that. We had a couple months there that I never hardly left the house, so the last couple months I've managed to go about once a week. So here's some great things I want to share. Just about all the dish towels in my kitchen are thrifted. I don't buy them unless they're clearly brand new or have the tags on them and certainly clean. I buy them because Goodwill only charges 59 cents and they're a lot better quality than I can just picking some up at the dollar store. This is a Williams-Sonoma dish towel, or wonderful quality. Even if you buy them in the store, they're relatively inexpensive. All right, the next thing is a little 2-pack, super adorable little hedgehog fall themed dish towels. They didn't have the tags on them, but I could tell they had never been used. And this one is a little different print. This actually come from Big Lots last season, but you can still find these, and Big Lots may have them again this year, but you can find these hedgehogs on Amazon. All right, the next thing is something great for a fall get-together or Thanksgiving for your butter or cheese ball or anything like that. 99 cents, these little pumpkin spreaders. I'll definitely use those at some point in time. Along with my farmhouse decor, I have quite a collection of Rae Dunn, and when I saw this, I couldn't believe that I'm starting to see Rae Dunn at the Goodwill. But here is a mug. It's one of the original Rae Dunn mugs because it's made by Magenta, and nowadays when you turn it over, it does say Rae Dunn. But I got this for $1.99. These are typically $6 to $7 at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. But this is actually a part of a Valentine's set. It said mine and yours. I knew what it was when I saw it, but it was cute, and I'll add it to my collection. The next thing looked like it comes straight from Hobby Lobby, a wooden blessed. This was from 2016. I think I've seen this at Hobby Lobby probably every year for the last 5 years. This is a pretty timeless piece. I'll definitely find a shelf or somewhere to stick this wooden blessed. One of the first things I found when I started thrifting, probably back in June or so, was these little ceramic little snail and butterfly. I paid $1.99 for the butterfly and probably about the same for the snail. Now with these just being actual ceramic and just glazed, they won't last but a season or two outside, and that's okay because I don't spend but $1 or $2 on them anyway. But they're just so cute to have little critters in my flower pots and around my flower beds that are unexpected. Now this was a really neat find, and I started not to buy it, but I thought, you know, what are the chances of me finding one of these again for $2.99? It's this extra large unfinished craft scissors, and I thought these would be so cute as wall decor in my craft room. And these originally come from Hobby Lobby. I paid $2.99 for them, and I think they're about $10 or so. I'm not sure if they still carry them, but keep your eye out if you would like some craft room decor. I've got a collection of hard plastic platters. It's kind of like the dish towels. I normally thrift my big platters because for the same price at Dollar Tree, this is a lot nicer than what I could get there. Now here is a perfect example of how I build up my flower stash. This right here is probably $7 or $8 of Dollar Tree flowers, and I got the whole bunch for $1.99. And I will definitely be using those here in the next couple months on some kind of fall wreath. This is just a little 99-cent thing I picked up originally from Marshall's for $2.99, and I can print something off or put a little picture, and it's small enough to fit on a tiered tray, and just thought it was cute, the little shiplap clip frame. Now these are some things that I love to find thrifted. Here is a brand new Bath & Body Works candle, Vanilla Bean Noel, brand new, never been lit, and I did pay $3.99 for it. Now you would be lucky to get this for $10 or $12 even with a coupon at Bath & Body Works. So this is a total steal. Here's another Bath & Body Works candle. Smells delicious. It's one of the smaller jarred candles, and I paid $2.99 for that. It's still a $10 candle that I'm getting for $3. It smells wonderful. And brand new. I mean, you know, not everybody likes the same smell, so this is evidently why someone would have donated that. Here's another great brand. This is Tyler. If you've ever heard of Tyler Candle Company out of Texas, they have wonderful candles They're pretty pricey, but I mean, you almost have to blow them out. They're so strong. This is some of their wax melts. These are typically $2 to $2.50 when you buy them in little boutiques. I got this for 99 cents. My favorite scent of Tyler is I think it's crushed pineapple, but this one is 24/7 Glam. It's brand new. I can throw it in a gift or just use it for myself. Now here is another brand that I'm always looking for thrifted, and it's a Romanique. It is a company based out of Heber Springs, Arkansas. It's about 2 hours from here, just outside of Little Rock. They have a wonderful candle company. Sells at Dillard's and Macy's, definitely higher end. You may find it in a boutique or two, but normally I've always bought mine at Dillard's or Macy's. This is the votive candle. What made them famous probably 25 years ago was the smell of Christmas. You can buy votives, big candles. They have big chunky potpourri, but just this votive right here is at least $5 to $7, and I got it for $1.99, and that was a steal. And this is one of those that you have to blow out because it's so strong, especially in a small bathroom. And right here, I love their potpourri by Romanique. I'll put their name on the screen here just so you can see and be looking for it. But it's super chunky potpourri. And this is the pumpkin spice box. This box has never been opened, and it is $25 at Dillard's. And I got it for $1.99. Total steal. Now the good thing about this big chunky potpourri is all their potpourris, after you use them for a season or two, you can go buy the refresher oil and sprinkle it on there, and it'll be brand new all over again. This is just great to put in a little bowl or a basket and set it around in a small space, and your area will smell delicious. So there you go, friends. This is my spring and summer thrift haul. Hopefully we're getting back to normal, and I will have these regularly at the end of every month. I love sharing these with you just to prove that it's not old grandma stuff anymore. Lots of fun, new, trendy stuff for a fraction of the cost. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back in a few days. Bye-bye.